I'm all over the place today. Well, I'm not all over the place today, but you know, sometimes I feel like I wake up and it's like my steps are all out of whack. But here's the interesting thing about what I do. I think it's really important that I don't slip into like a routine, if that makes sense. Like, of course I have a routine, and of course this has changed my life, and of course, like, you know, I do the same things every day. And even before this, there's things that I would do every day, like eat and sleep, you know? But my point is, like, I was talking to my friend Harris last night on the phone, and he alerted me to a really interesting thing in my life. Harris is not my therapist, he's my friend, and we were talking about, you know, he's going to post a video to social media, and he did. Harris, I'm probably going to send you this video, and if you're watching, I'm very proud of you. It was like a great video. I was totally expecting, I guess I was hating on Harris a lot of hatred, because I was like, you know, I've seen all these people, you know, care so much about this, and their first video just sucks. It's like a rookie thing, you know, and it's like, I like to haze, you know, for some reason it makes me feel better. And Harris was like, you know what? I think it's jealousy. Jealousy is different from envy. I mean, he kind of brought it to a whole, you know, he had a whole, you know, discussion that was very interesting on the differences between the words jealousy and envy. And I should, you know, try and recap what he said just to show him that I was listening, if he's watching this. But that's not even really what you know, just the word jealousy on its own kind of like, that's what I am. I'm jealous. I'm jealous because I am never again going to get to go and post my first social media video again. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm jealous of him. That's what the kind of the nagging and like the, you know, and the older brother attitude and like the, you know, the rookie, you know, look down kind of thing. It's all, I'm jealous. I'm jealous because it's like that feeling that I remember of posting that first video was so epic and awesome, you know, even if it didn't go viral. It's like you feel so crazy after posting that first video. It's insane. And you're never going to get to feel like that again. You just try and chase it with more and more views, I feel like. Anyway. Yeah, so I'm walking into Jacksonville today. It's, you know, one thing that's exciting. I am like, I think the closest I've ever been to having no food in my backpack. I just have some some tortillas and 2 packets of nuts in my back right pocket. Back right pocket. Can you tell I'm out of it? I got a lot of water though, so that's good. So I'm gonna drink the rest of my water, and I'm gonna try and eat the rest of my backpack today, and then hopefully end up. You know, I made a promise to myself 2 videos ago. It's like it's time to start eating vegetables. So I'm gonna start, you know, eating veggies. I think that's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be good to carry less. I've got a, you know, a lot. Oh. Anchor got back to me in my DMs. Anchor's gonna provide me with portable charging, and they told me that they just want me to show it in the videos. How powerful is that? Anyway, I'm gonna get to walking. Hope this video doesn't take forever to upload. I love you so much. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.